Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barrocks here, the digital storyteller. And I know what you're thinking. Where the hell have you been? I mean, it's been months, Tristan. Are you alive? Are you dead? Are you good? Are you bad? Are you happy? Are you sad? And I just want to let you know I'm doing very, very well. I have just been inundated with so much work. There's been so many amazing things happening in my life. And also, to be honest with you, there's been a lot of just extra challenging things this year. I don't know what it is about 2021, but man, 2020 was really challenging from the standpoint of resetting everything and resetting your boundaries and your life and your goals and your aspirations, all that sort of stuff. But 2021 has been really about redefining how you want to move forward. And I think that oftentimes as creatives, whether you're a content creator, a digital storyteller, or the like, we want or have an ideal in our minds of what we want to get done and what we want to do, but oftentimes we don't take the time to actually implement those changes. And I think one of the things I did this year was really take a step back and implement some things that I wanted to change in my business and in my life. One of those things is actually now not only am I full-time in the business, but my wife is full-time in the business as well, which is super dope. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Canada was one of the last places pretty much in the world to not only just get their going, but to be open, to be running, to be allowing you to do a lot of different things and giving, I guess, our freedoms back. So there was a lot of pent up energy around creating stuff and getting projects done. And when we opened up in, I think it was the end of May, starting of June, it was just balls to the wall, week after week after week after week after day after day after day after hour, just getting work done. So, I this has been probably one of the busiest periods of my business in its history, in its 10 to 12 year history. To be honest with you, I'm prioritizing what makes money and what puts food on the table and what allows me to progress my career, which is my businesses. And oftentimes, YouTube and content creation kind of gets left to the side, not because I don't want to create, but because at the end of the day, I made a promise to myself and to my family that I don't want to be better at talking about the things that I say I can do than being really good at what I say I can do. So for instance, I don't want to talk about all of the ancillary details about doing dope photography, about the tools for doing dope cinematography or telling stories or creating films or submitting to film festivals. I actually want to do those things. I don't want to just talk about dope drones or dope audio equipment or dope lenses that come out and not actually use them, and not actually use them to create and tell stories and engage the audiences that are out there that are waiting for these stories to be told. So, at the end of the day, it's kind of a fine dance of loving and hating YouTube, in the sense of I love it. I love the community. I love your comments. I love the contributions that you bring to my life and the contributions I bring to your life. But I also want to actually make films. I actually want to create content that is going to provide for me, but that's also going to align with my goals and my skills. And doing review videos is not necessarily what I want to do all the time. So sometimes you may see me create a boatload of content, and other times I may not create a boatload of content. It doesn't mean that I'm not creating. It's just I may not be creating for this particular platform in this particular season. So I just wanted to kind of give you an update, let you know I'm here. I'm definitely going to be making more videos. I already started to do some more recording on different things like lenses and different gear and just some stuff that I'm going to be actually picking up for my business. So I definitely want to talk about it and share with you some of my experiences, because I've had some amazing experiences with some of the new tools that I picked up this year to really level up my commercial and my corporate game and get some new clients and work with some new brands. Now, that being said, yesterday was Thanksgiving, American Thanksgiving. That's not really the true Thanksgiving. The real Thanksgiving is actually, it's actually the second week in October. It's Canadian Thanksgiving. But in honor of sort of the festive holiday season, Thanksgiving season, Black Friday, all that good stuff, I have some Black Friday deals. First and foremost, I have Black Friday deals for all of my LUTs on my store, at my store. So if you go to my store, they're all on, I believe, 50% off of everything, and that's up until Cyber Monday. So the sale ends on Monday, and you can go ahead, you can grab those LUTs, my brown skin LUTs, my digital storytelling LUTs, my digital storytelling starter kit. All of those things are on sale, so definitely check those out. But also, I wanted to make some other discounts available to you. I have some really dope sponsors that have been working with me, that have been partnering with me from not day one, but for a long time. So I have some discount codes for you guys that you guys can use, get some free trials as well as discounts off of some of your favorite services and digital products from brands like EpidemicSound, Vimify, to LUT.me, to Artlist and Artgrid and Motion Array, and so many more. So if you want to use any of my affiliate links, jump into the description area of this video and just click on the links below, and that'll take you directly to being able to use any of the discount codes that are available to you. I think they start out at about 20% and they go all the way up to about 35-40% depending on which brand you're looking to purchase from. And yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys are happy and healthy. You guys are staying positive and staying creative, telling stories that mean something to you, telling stories from your perspective. And I'm telling you, the world needs more storytellers. The world needs more people sharing their point of view using digital media and digital media platforms. I am going to log off now and spend some time with my family, but until the next time, stay blessed, stay focused, and stay creative. Peace.